How to convert JPG to PNG. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can convert your JPG image to PNG image. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up a browser in your device. After that, in the search bar, all you have to do is type in JPG to PNG, search for it. So from the search results, scroll down a bit and head towards this link that is JPG to PNG.com. Click on it. Click on upload files. From your device, select your JPG image, then click on open. Now you have to wait until this process gets completed, and once this image is converted to PNG, you can download the image. Now click on this download button right here, and then with that you will have your PNG image downloaded in your device. So that's it. That's how you can convert a JPG to PNG, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.